How much is EU trade with the US dropping? The impact of Trump's tariffs on the EU market is already becoming apparent. In the first quarter of 2026, the value of EU exports to the US fell by 30% compared to the same period last year. The tariffs hit key sectors such as cars, pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, wine, and cheese. The United States remains nonetheless the EU's largest export market, with about 120 billion euros, roughly 19% of the bloc's total export value, but the trade decline with Washington contributed to pushing overall EU exports to the rest of the world down by 9% compared to the first quarter of 2025. Exports also dipped, though less sharply, with other main partners like China and Turkey. The steepest drop, however, was with Iran, minus 44%, mainly driven by sanctions related to its nuclear program, support for Russia, and human rights violations. On the good news front, exports to Indonesia surged by 23% in Q1 2026. It follows the finalization of a new trade agreement called CEPA, which aims to cut or remove tariffs on most EU exports, as well as streamline customs procedures.